Introduction to General Validation. OnStyle's validation feature lets you easily find and correct the incidental text style and formatting errors in your documents. General validation can be accessed with and without an assigned doc config on the OnStyle tab in the ribbon. The validation of the document is done by using inspections, which are collected in several inspection groups. Inspection groups are predefined lists of inspection modules that can be run independently with one click. For example, Final Check. Opening the drop-down menu of an inspection group using the down-pointing arrow lets you see the individual inspection modules. You can run any inspection module separately within an inspection group by clicking on it. These inspection groups together form an inspection set. There are two types of inspection sets. One is called a custom inspection set, which can be modified by the user. The other, named Global, is a non-customizable set with predefined inspections, tailored for a company standard. To perform an overall validation, click on Execute Set. An inspection results pane opens to the right side of Word. You can toggle the visibility of modules with no errors by clicking on the Hide Modules with No Result button. The errors found are listed on the sub-levels of the separate inspection groups and module items. Elimination of an error individually can be done in the sub-level menu of a desired module item. To open and close the sub-level menu, double-click on the module item's name. When you click on an error, OnStyle will scroll to its exact position. To autofix an issue, click on the down-pointing arrow next to it and select an autofix suggestion. OnStyle can resolve errors in groups. To do that, instead of selecting an individual error, click on the down-pointing arrow next to an inspection group and select a desired autofix suggestion. If you are not sure about an action or error, you can get additional information by clicking the up-pointing arrow on the bottom.